Yes, mu mawulire agakagwawo breaking news gwe nagoberera wenjogerera nga tuli mu kooti ey'Ennabweru era nga bw'olaba emabega wange Eddy mutwe Achileo kivumbi bamaze okubeera nga batuusibwa mu kooti eno. Ngenda kuwa byonna nga bwe bigenda okubeera nga bitambula mu kooti eno yennyini era mwe baaleetebwa oluvannyuma lw'okubeera nti baavugibwa ku sipiidi y'ekika ekya waggulu nga babajja e Masaka mu mmotoka ekika kya drone ku musango ogwali ogw'e Masaka omulala ate ne baleetebwa wano mu kooti y'e Nabweru okubeera nga baggulwako emisango gye twakunnyonnyola gye buvuddeko era nkakasa nga gwe abadde atugoberera bino wabitegeera bulungi nnyo. Babaggulako emisango egy'okukola drills eziri unauthorized. Drills nno kye tutegeeza baali bategeeza military drills oba okwegezaamu naye nga bino babisimbuliza ku parade gye baakola ng'ennaku z'omwezi 12 omwezi ogwokubiri mwaka gwa 2025 naye nga bwe nzize nkugamba bano ababiri boolaba emabega wange tebaaliko. Parade eyakubibwa ku kibiina ekya National Unity Platform nga basupprisinga His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ne birthday eyali ya surprise ba foot soldier parade gye baakuba njagala okujjukiza Eddy mutwe Achileo kivumbi nga obalaba emabega wange tebaaliko ku parade eyo wabula ate wenjogerera bali ku musango ogwogerwako nti gwegwo ogubavunaanwa era oluvannyuma lw'okubajja e Masaka ku musango guli mbu ogw'okukuba bannamawulire n'okubabbako zijjampa n'obusimu bw'amapeesa bavuga bukubirire mu mmotoka ekika kya drone ne babaleeta mu kooti wano ey'e Nabweru. Kakati olunaku olwaleero lwategekebwa nga bwe nakutegeezezza eggulo nti zigenda kubeera ng'ennaku z'omwezi 8 omwezi ogw'omwenda omwaka gwa 2025 bagenda kuba bakomezebwawo mu kooti. Kakati wenkoledde akatambi kano nga bamaze okuba nga bakomezebwawo nga bw'obalaba emabega wange era byonna nga bwe bigenda okubeera nga bitambula. Wabula nkugambye nti ne Calvin Tassi abangi gwe mumanyi nga Bobby Giant naye asuubirwa essaawa yonna okubeera nga atuuka mu kooti wano agende maaso n'okuba nga agasimbagana n'abalamuzi. Wabula njagala okuba nga nkutegeeza nga sennakuwa butereevu maloboozi gali mu kooti njagala okujjukiza nti bannamateeka ab'ekibiina ekya National Unity Platform abaliwo wenjogerera kuliko Honorable Shamim Malende yatuuse dda kuliko Honorable Joel Ssennyonyi yatuuse dda kuliko Kanso Elias Limbazi Nalukola yatuuse dda kuliko Kanso Benjamin Katana yatuuse dda kuliko Kanso George Musisi n'abalala batuuse dda n'abamu ku babaka ba Parliament balabiddwako nga ne Honorable Nyeko Derrick Wali mu kooti eno wenjogerera era naye azze okulaba nga abeerawo nga embeera oba nga kaweefube yenna akolebwa okulaba nga abasibe bano baweebwa okweyimirirwa. Bobby Giant naye asuubirwa mu kooti eno. Kakati njagala kuba nga nkulaga embeera nga bw'etambula then nga bwe nzija tubeere nga tweyongerayo. Omukutu oli ku gwa Red Zone TV Sebambulidde Patrick nze mbeerangawo okubeera nga nkutuusaako ekiri mu kooti kye njagala ogenda maaso n'okuba nga nkuwa era njagala gwe awuliriza atambula naffe sooka osharinga information eno bw'olaba sinnakuwa ddoboozi ensonga zikyali bakyabikula mpapula babadde bakyabikula mpapula awo naye nga ogenda kuba nga obiwulira tubeere nga tutambula mpola mpola ensonga zonna nga bwe zigenda okutambula ogenda kubeera ng'ozifuna. Kakati njagala kuba nga nkuwa ekyo kyennyini ekibadde mu kooti tubeere nga ate tutambula byonna ebigenda okuvayo nkugambye bisuubire wano era ogenda kuba nga tomisinga nsonga yonna ku nsonga ku mukutu guno gwa Red Zone TV. Kakati wuliriza ate nzije tubeere nga tweyongerayo.
Decide that those who are not interested in this case to step out. If you cannot keep order. I am in a courtroom and I expect order. If you cannot keep quiet, I'm going to request that you step outside. I am not in a market. Nam Kwata. Kakoza Kato David Benjamin. Seka wa Vincent. Kamugeni Deus. Kamuli Abraham. Kamuli. Mugezi Joshua. Mwanuka Aminu. Namuli Irene. Carlo Charles. Bugembe Dennis. Katende Hassan. Honorable Samuel Rex Elias. Seru Gaya.
I'm present.
Ronald Badiasaye.
Present.
What's more, Alex? Farouk, Narisu Olivia, Agakagwawo, Indaula Ronald, Honorable Nyako, Derek. Abraham, Magezi Joshua.
Present.
I represent the state together with my colleague. This one here. Last time there were two persons who are not in court. And before we go to that point, we would like to know whether that these persons are represented.
May it please you, Your Honor. My name is Samuel Mulingo. Mulingo, yes, that was it. Samuel Mulingo. For the record, all the parties are represented by this team of the landed Embassy Naukora. Honorable. The landed Abedi Nasa Modiore. Your Honor, landed Honorable Marende Shani. The landed Elotu Jonathan. Your Honor, landed George. The landed King2, Michael. Your Honor, and the landed Kakuru, Senior. Represent all the accused persons. Kakuru Tomo Senior. The issues arising, I will invite landed Elotu Jonathan. Present.
Your Honor, the prosecution is still by this court. Your Worship, we have two witnesses present. We are ready to proceed. The last time there were suspects who did not attend court. We request court to ask them about their whereabouts. Where were they? Why did they attend court? About those that are absent.
No, that's why all matters arising.
For the report, Your Worship, the last time the matter came up, to mention, we had intimated before the intention of the applicants to file an application to the High Court. Your Worship, we also wrote a letter with respect to this matter. Your Worship, this letter was filed on 29 August. This letter sought for two reliefs. One of the reliefs is administrative. Worship sought for the chief magistrate to call and examine the record of that state. Worship, that is pursuant to section 220 of the Justice Code. Worship wrote the letter 25th August, but we filed it on 29th August.
Is it the chief magistrate?
Yes, Your Worship. Related to the Your Worship, that letter also sought for the proceedings of court for that case. Your Worship, I believe the prosecution also received the copy of that letter. I believe so.
You believe or you know?
Your Worship, I know so.
Thank you.
Your Worship, therefore, it is based on the administrative release that we are seeking from court and based also on the review application that we intend to file, the review application that we intend to file. Your Worship, I did not find reason as to why we should proceed today.
Okay, I've addressed the letter that was written by the chief magistrate. She's on official leave from court, annual leave, so she's not sure she was not able to attend to that. I think she'll be able to come back to her official duties on the 10th of this month. So I believe she's the only one clothed with the jurisdiction to handle that letter. So we shall wait for that. She's on official annual leave. Allow me to finish so that I can come to that. Let me address what counsel has brought your attention. So I believe because you had mentioned you wanted to proceed today, and he's saying that that cannot happen because of the, you did not see the letter. You did not see the letter?
That's why you wanted to submit your name as prosecution.
Okay, you can proceed.
Yeah, first and foremost, about the prosecution, we have never served. We challenge the defense to show us proof of service that we received that document in our office. We challenge them now. They never served us. This is an attempt to abuse the legal process. If you're serious about an application in a higher court, we serve the prosecution. And the defense is engaging in abuse of the legal process, so make sure we never receive that letter. And then, back to the issue which we raised, there are people who are always skipping court, and they just come in as and when they wish. And the court has never asked them why they are doing this thing. Yes, fair enough. Last time, S6, S7, S16, and S17. We are not in this court. We have been great, but the people has to explain as to why they never sent churches, to explain their whereabouts. You mentioned it, it's according to our A1 and A19, okay. A19, it's dominant. You know some of the issues for A1 and A7. This was on the 28th of July. However, on the 24th of June, S6, S7, S16, and S17 never showed up.
I didn't say, looking at how we did it. I'm not on 28th of July.
First, on 28th of July. But also, Your Honor, we have to address a prior occurrence and take this opportunity. That's why we bring also other issues. 24th of June. On 24th of June,
but let us also be at back.
We are not clear on
Which date exists.
Okay, first, address the issues for the bench.
Yes. S6, S7, S16, one of the court. Initially it was A1 and 19, but it's A1 and 19. But S6, S7, S16, and S7 never attended this court. And now on the 28th, we have A1 and S7. And every time they use court, they're just walking. No one asks them for an explanation. That's why this trend is happening. They would love your honor, this court. Because those accused must not explain why they're always absent. And today, your honor,
According to your report, who is always up there?
you have clearly said on the 24th, those people were absent. On the 28th, it was A1 and S7. That's clear that way. And today, still A6, you come with JJ Grace. That is A6. And S7, can we allow? S10, I'm not very. SRT, continuous, I cannot hear. They must explain before we address the time. The question here.
Fully represent, then again,
I believe the issues that have been raised before, the administrative issues, should initially take precedence in this. You should, I also remember last time, court had implemented and actually directed the prosecution for an affidavit of service whether some of these people were some. I have not seen that affidavit of service. I do not know whether the court has also seen copies of the affidavit of service. However, we go back to the same thing. This is the administrative issue that we raised. We should take precedence of all this. If state believes that they will not appear, she can appear before the chief or if anything comes up, she can handle it.
I want everyone to take court seriously. You can't tell me an accused person he has a right to either choose because there's an administrative issue to deal with. Then I would not expect anyone to be in the docket for the accused person. Let us respect the court and give it its utmost respect. We are officers of court, I believe. You know that. Can I proceed, Council? Council 7? Yes.
First of all, the prayer, the last appearance in Uganda, it should have been there at the time. The prayer, the previous occasions in Uganda, not seen it anywhere in procedure. It should have been made at a couple of times. The one today, the opportunity to explain. The other case report, the time when they are trying to play, the accused person, appear will never be required. I know for certain, I can advise to counsel the applicants have got the impression that they will be before the High Court. Yes. They have got the impression of the and this morning, the court all the way. If you have not done that, I will see very well.
why are these ones here?
Because of the money.
So you decide on who to come here. Is it so?
We apologize that.
No, it's not a time to address to the council, that you have decided those to come and those not to come. And why is it a thought that it is in the High Court? They are procedures, your officers of court. At this moment, this court still has jurisdiction over this matter until further communication is made.
We undertake to this on the next time.
If I have a serial person, I'll issue. Who is missing? Is Alice here? This has been a serial dodger. Because you can't sit here and tell me that you choose where
abaganda baffe be mulaba be bakwatibwa olunaku pulezidenti yali avuga ku kitebe ng'agenda e Kawempe mu kampeyini za Honorable Lukoola. Leero abasooseewo Eddy Mutwe ne Achileo batuuse ne Bobi Giant akyali mu kaguli mu kaduukulu ka kkooti.
Are there sureties for any of the missing persons present in court?
Yes, Your Worship.
Surety for?
Kakoza.
For?
Kakoza.
That is F4.
Yes.
By the names of?
That is a Juliet, Your Worship.
Yes, you can address court. Let me give you express permission to address court.
Much obliged, Your Worship. Kakoza is not able to attend to court today because his wife is expecting and they are in hospital right now.
Bufumbo olina omwami naye ng'akutawaanya, olina omukyala ng'akutawaanya, bajja ne bakwagalako ne bagenda. Gwe alina ebizibu mu byenfuna nga ssente zikuyita mu ngalo, w'oteeka ssente zifa bufi, b'owola tebazza. Gwe aloota ng'ogwa mu nnyanja, gwe alumizibwa omutwe nga guganja okuwona, naawe aloota ng'ebintu bikozesa ensonga z'obufumbo. Nina ekifo ku mugga awali amayinja we nnyambulirako ebisiraani, ekikwa, ekifiiriza, omudibo, obutaganja, obutaweebwa. Nzijanjaba abantu ab'enzikiriza zonna, nsiŋŋaanibwa njeru ku lw'ejjinja. Gwanjagala kuba ku nnamba yange eyo, naawe ali ewala ennyo